Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we will discuss an option that restricts saving a sale bill if the bill date does not match the system date. To enable this option, go to the Logic folder and run Logic admin. Open Global Settings. Under the Sale Settings 1 section, locate the option labeled Sale Bill Date and System Date should be the same. Enable this option and save the settings. Restart the software. Now, let's try to create a voucher with a bill date that is different from the system date. As you can see, the software displays a message indicating that the document date and system date do not match. Due to this, we will not be able to proceed with saving the bill. The voucher and system dates need to be checked and corrected, only then will the voucher be saved.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.